I recently sold a home in just one weekend. And the truth is, most of my listings take a couple weeks to sell. And I know what you're thinking. Well, anybody can sell a home real quick in this market. But the truth is, I have some strategies and some hacks that can help you or your realtor sell your home in as little as 2 days. Okay, so the first thing that I do is we do a 3D tour and a video. When you upload your listing into the MLS and it goes onto websites like Zillow and Trulia and Realtor, the homes that have 3D tours and videos are ranked higher up on their algorithms, and you're going to attract more viewers. The other thing I do is I always put my open house schedule online, and that gets uploaded into Zillow. Zillow is the most popular website for real estate in the country, probably the world. So when you do that, again, Zillow will rank you higher up in the algorithm, and you will be seen and shown to more buyers in your market. The third thing is never list your home with the end price being $999. Okay, most buyers are looking in increments of 50,000. Okay, so if you list it at 999,000 or $499,999 or $1,199,999, and they capped their search at $1,100,000, then you've just kind of eliminated yourself from being seen. So just go with the 1,100,000 or the 1,500,000. It'll work better. 1,250,000, numbers like that always attract more buyers. Okay, the other thing, this is a really important thing, is that I always list my properties onto the MLS early on a Friday morning, because most buyers work during the week. They go to see the homes on the weekends. And when they see a new listing pop up on Friday morning, the thought of being one of the first buyers to get into that listing is really exciting to them. So when I come on the market on a Friday morning, I always get a ton of calls that day for scheduled showings, because everybody wants to be the first person into that new house. Next thing I do is I always talk to my sellers, and the savvy ones also always listen to me, about listing your house below market value. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, well, how am I going to get top dollar if I list my house below market value? Well, here's the thing. In this market, even as strong as this market is for sellers, if you overprice your home, you will be overlooked. Okay, so when you list your house below market value, you are going to get a flood of showings and a flood of offers. And with my strategies, with multiple offers, you are going to drive your selling price way above market value. Okay, you guys just have to trust me on that one. I can show you the proof in my last sales, and it works every time. All right, one of the next hacks that I use on vacant homes is called virtual staging. Now, virtual staging is great because real staging can be quite expensive for the seller. But with virtual staging, you get CGI furniture placed into the home of the vacant pictures. So it looks like it's got real furniture in it, but really it's a vacant house. If your house is not vacant, then I always encourage us to get professional staging, and you don't always have to bring in new furniture. A lot of the times, my stager is able to take the furniture that's existing in the home and just reconfigure it and replace it, maybe remove some of it. And it makes the house photo a ton better and show just incredibly better. The buyers love it. Another hack that helps me sell homes in as little as 2 days are Facebook ads. I am big on Facebook ads. They work. They are generated in a radius around the home that I'm selling. So buyers that are looking for homes in that area, the ad is automatically sent to them. They get seen by thousands and thousands and thousands of people, and it's specified into buyers that are looking for homes. So you know it's the exact kind of people that you want seeing your house. Another hack, another trick, and this is really simple, but fresh paint and fresh carpet work wonders, guys. If you go into a brand new listing and it's a brand new home on the market and it's got beat up carpet and scuff marks on the walls, odds are you're going to be turned off. So if you spend $7,000 to $8,000 getting fresh paint and brand new carpet, I guarantee you're going to get $15,000 to $20,000 higher in your selling price, because that carpet and that paint works wonders. They come in, it smells fresh, it looks clean, it's like a brand new home. It's the best return on investment you can make. Another one of the tricks that I use, coming soon. I put the house on the coming soon status. A lot of things have changed in the last 2 years, but one of those is we have a new status on the MLS. It's called coming soon. And when I put the home on the coming soon, all the buyers see it go up, but they can't get into it yet. And it drives them crazy. And they always want to be the first one to get into your house. So they see my ads, they see the photos, they see the 3D tour, they see the video, and now they're excited about the home. They see that it's priced a little bit under market value, which is getting them all anxious to see it. And then I get a ton of calls, and I get 10, 20 showings before the home is even ready to go on that Friday morning active status. The last trick is making your home as light and bright as possible. Buyers love light and bright. They love light, neutral colors on the walls. They love a lot of natural light from big windows, all the things that can contribute to that house, that light and bright, making it feel more open, more spacious. The energy is better. All those things. If we can get the dark furniture out, if you have some dark paint on some walls, we need to paint that again and just get it light and bright. Buyers love it. It will increase your sales price. You will take home more money. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Josh Brenner with Compass here in Westlake Village. If you like what you've seen in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you. You can text me, email me, call me. I'm happy to meet with you sellers for a seller discovery meeting. Have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.